Hello fellow traders, this is Paul Lum. We've got a triple play here tonight. We got three stocks I want to deal with. First one here is FUBO, F-U-B-O. And this one's probably going to get a Cat 3 run and a set. Generally speaking, on the right hand side of a cup, you're going to get 1 to 1.5 month TSS pullback. Now, typically you want to wait for that, but this thing has got such a high VR on the breakout that we may not get that pullback where we want. So let's say we get up here, pop a high TSS up here, quite possibly we'll pull back on a TD6 or TM1 cycle retest of that high right there, but no guarantee that cycle cat line can set up here outside of that prior U pivot with a soft landing pullback. So this is potentially as good as a buy zone as any, and pending see what the action is up here. We got a trend line right here to deal with, so we'll just have to keep a close eye on it and monitor it. And again, good chance of we getting a significant TSS pullback there for a month or two. Okay, next one, we're just going to go straight through these stocks. They're all under $5 stocks, or close to $5. This is ALM. It's got about 1 BMI in the base, actually about 0.75, maybe close to 0.8 right there from the lows. Yeah, 0.75 BMI, but it's acting pretty good. It's got blue sky back here. I'm not sure what the story is behind this stock, but it's got pretty good volume on it, trading volume on it. You have a TM1 cycle right there off of the IPO, and took out the $5 price zone. So retest of that is possible, but this one breaking to a new high is probably going to be a pretty relatively safe play on it. Let's look at one more under $5 stock. And this one has about almost 2 BMI, about 1.8 BMI in the cup. And you can see right here, this happens a lot when you get a 6-month high set, which finally happened right there. You get about 7.3 right there. If you go back further, no 6-month here. Let's see what that is. No 6-month there. So you finally get a 6-month high here at the breakout of the 200 MA. And so strong BMI off a cycle set in the cup. Again, close to 2 BMI. You got a TM3 cycle, 5 to 7 month cycle, and you got a TM1 pullback in the handle right below that $5 PPP, right at the 75 MA. So if you were scaling in on this particular one, you would be at a 5, 10, 25. You'd be 1/3 in right there, 1/3 in right there, and 1/3. You'd be fully into this position by the time you get over here. Let's look at the bar count on that. Make sure it's about 37 bars. Yeah, so we'd be fully in on the 3 parts based on the breakout of the 5, 10, 25-day high. Again, you got really strong momentum off the floor. You got a soft landing pullback TM1 cycle, and you got a potential price squeeze coming in real soon on that. So this one looks pretty good. This is ALM, ALM-ABCL Biologics. And again, the other 2 stocks were FUBO, FUBO, and ABCL. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bitcoinandtradingclub.com and I'll give you more information.